I can turn on auto-tune though.
Oh, Emo Brad's back. Look at Emo Brad. You look cute. Did you shave too?
Get the camera on me! That's why, because I messed up.
We bang it, go ring it, get ring it. And then karaoke night, but get the mic cause we sing it. Oh, B to the A. Watch your messy goes.
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
There goes my hero. He's ordinary.
You're very pretty in this video.
He's ordinary. There goes my hero. Watch him as he goes. No. There's no
Yeah,
such thing as-
everybody said you looked like you were glowing.
There's no such thing.
I'm telling you, everybody. My mom said it.
Chat lies.
Bass said it. All of our friends that have been over, especially that day. I'm not the only one, I'm telling you.
It's all lies.
Silly. You're gonna do praying with that on the whole time.
Cause you brought the flames and you put me through hell. I had to learn how to fight for myself. And we both know all the truth I could tell. I'll just say this is I wish you farewell. Oh, I'll bring thunder, I'll bring rain. My voice is changing.
There is something called formant. So you can apply formant. It's an effect that can be a filtered that can be affected, and it just
makes my voice sound like it's lower. This is not auto-tune. That's not the same thing. I can turn on auto-tune though.
Ready?
I'll be soon is anyway.
Bradley.
Are you wearing shorts?
No.
Just underwear?
Yeah.
Can I go put some hairspray in my hair real quick?
Okay. I love you.
Seriously, pink?
Yeah.
Pink?
It looks good.
Yeah, your face looks good.
Thank you. This is Brad and mine's theme song.
When I'm down, I get real down. When I'm high, I don't come down. I get angry, baby, believe me. I got issues. You got it too. When I'm step out of nature.
That's pretty cool. Keep requesting that. Are you gonna come over here and mosh with me?
Maybe.
I'm so out of breath right now.
Boo. They looked good when we started, but not so much anymore. I've been smiling too much.
Oh, thank you, bearded Swede. I love Swedes.
Look, people like strippers and it's okay. That's okay. Get over it. People like porn, okay? Clip this and add it to the thing, Mike. Thank you. I need to get some water. Talk to the people for a second.
Can you get me some water and some Advil? Just bring up the whole bottle of Advil and the entire fridge. And a cup of ice, please.
Yeah, okay.
Well, it makes me feel like I have to clear my throat. I hate it. Ah! I'll be you. Give me a female voice and you be the male voice. Let's do that.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
God, that's hard. Oh my God. I'm choking. Yeah, right. Yeah, righty. Yeah, right now.
Oh my god. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, I just can't wait to be
If you think
No one say do this.
when I said that,
Say be there. No one say stop that.
but you don't be my now see
Dude, when you went to the hideout, and I was like, we are so trying so hard. Like, I didn't know how much like effort we would have to put into just being human.
Regular.
5, 4,
All right, Amaranth
3,
is Uludin.
2, 1, go. All right, you're 30 seconds in. Oh, those shoulders.
30.
All right, there's 50. What are we at?
115. Come on, chat.
Maybe I do 10 reps, 10 reps.
Am I at 40?
1 minute left.
Am I at 30? Am I at 35 or 40? I think I'm at 35.
35.
All right, there's 60. What are we at?
For you?
No,
Oh,
Tommy,
no,
I'm right.
40.
Come on! There we go. God, that was all fun.
$30 seconds, less than 30 seconds.
I did my.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, guys. How do you feel?
Tired.
Yeah?
Man. Yeah.
Like an extra 20 seconds, I think I maybe could have had it, but
So how many did you do?
80.
80. Damn.
I took too much rest after the first 50.
You were like, oh, easy peasy.
Yeah, I thought.
I'm very proud of you.
My shirt's so sexy, yeah.
I'm not taking my shirt off.
It's not against TOS to be shirtless. Unless you're a female, for some reason.
Girl guitars, metalcore. Update, alright.
Don't do that.
Oh, I might have gone. Dude, you're such a good producer. Every time I start to question, not your production, but just like, I'm like, Singularity's not that good. And then I play it back and I'm like, damn.
And it's like, just like every other artist that this has happened to, except on other television shows, like on Glee.
I freaking love Cheez-Its, dude.
No, just as quiet so we can
One
talk.
in the chat if you do not like Cheez-Its. I'm very curious.
Edit.
Let
Alright.
me stuff my face.
Where's your Gave me a reason to fight once again. We're on the front lines, still marching in.
Love.
You gave me a reason to survive anyway. You gave us the reason to fight. Yes,
but I'm back. I haven't been like that since the day we won the Raw show. I've not been able to do that.
It's true. Thank you. I just wanted to say we have merch. Look, is this an advertisement? Yes. But at the same time, like, I'm just really proud of it because I just really like it. I think it's cool. So you can get this sweatshirt that says "This is our war" on it. And the back has got, like, Halocene. It's super cool. And then you can get a phone case. Like any style, really. Anyway. Okay, so he's showing... I don't know what he's showing. He hung foam on the wall. I think. I don't know. He's talking, but I have no idea what he's saying.
Sometimes I feel like a woman. Like Shania Twain.
Damn, you gotta get these cheeses out of here, because I'm like eyeballing that, like, How many can I have? 27 is 150 calories, and I haven't had lunch yet, so...
Me neither. Order food right now. Let's go. Make me feel good by ordering some food and then playing the song.
I don't know.
Did you hear what I said?
I did. I don't know. I don't know why, but I really want McDonald's. And I don't eat McDonald's ever. Something just came over me.
I forgot, is this playing D? I think it is. Huh? What? We're playing the short version of this? Or the full version of it? Hello?
Huh?
What version of it are we playing?
A normal version.
I heard you talking to somebody in the chat about a short
Yeah,
version of it.
don't worry about it. I'm playing the long one.
Halocene.